Hello everyone, welcome to Mobile Techland. Today I'm going to show you how you can flatten any image or any layer in Photoshop. So this is a random art piece I just created and you will see the tutorial tomorrow. Now you can see I have plenty of layers on the right side and I want to add noise to each layers. Now to do that, traditionally I have to go to filter, noise and add the amount. Then I have to repeat the process to every single layers. But there is an easy and much faster way, which is just simply select every single layer, right click and click flatten image. Now all the layers have merged together to become one photo. So now if you put any noise, the entire photo will be affected. And it's not just noise, you can put any kind of filter options like distortion, or you can change the color, change anything. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked it.